Okay. I got a project to do over here. It's a welding project, okay? And yeah, I know I will. Yep, see? Got my welding gloves. So we're gonna weld, okay? We're gonna get over here and we're finna put some pipe together. We're gonna weld this pipe together. We're gonna start right here in the corner. And we're gonna sit that welder on a C4. C4 will give you see the chart. So depending on what you're welding, that's what you set your gauge on, okay? So that's what we're finna do. Gonna be some fireflies, so watch your eyes, okay?
They telling me to stop, ayy. Got 20 G's for the keys to them. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op, ayy? I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop, ayy. Got 20 G's for the keys to them. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op, ayy? I'm in the island on a Wednesday, laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei. Juju hit my line like what you want, babe. Hit her with the script like working out with her, babe. No way, I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to link with you and him. Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your back like that. Then we gon' hit that gas, make a U-turn from the mountain. Gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting on scene like I just tried. Ayy, shorty the school to my rock and I'm not talking about Jack Black. Ayy, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gon' shield the one you love.
So you wanna kinda hit it and get off of it, but burn too hard to burn a hole in it, right? So you hit and miss.
Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op, ayy? I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop, ayy. Got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op?
That's how you weld, okay? See that? See that weld? And you do it all the way around. And then when you get through, just grind everything down smooth. And then you're done. You gotta flip it over and get the bottom. Get all that in. And then just put the puzzle together. Put the puzzle together. When I finish with it, this before, I'll show you after. Alright, bro. Through the gate. Right out. Put the hinges on it. Now I'm finna go test it. Let's see what it looks like on the gate.